So this is Black and Decker rice cooker, and it just broke after like 7 years of use. And just remove the three screws. It's very easy, simple, and most of the time, there is a component called thermal fuse, which is normally in here it is 15 ampere, 185 degrees Celsius. In this one, it was the one which was broken. It was just 10 ampere, 165 degrees Celsius, but it's okay. 10 degree doesn't matter, and 5 amperes, it doesn't matter much. You can just use this fuse instead of that. In Nepal, it cost me around like 20 rupees. And you just need to unscrew the three screws here. This is a triangular kind of screw, which you can unscrew using this kind of I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, this is the one. Screw bit. You can just remove the screws. Three screws with locks and washers. It's very simple, and there are three screws here. Just remove it, and then to open it up, you can just twist it a little bit like that. It comes off. And inside, you might be confused. Don't need to be confused. This is the thermal fuse. Check it if it is. This is the component. This is thermal fuse. This is thermostat. This is the main inlet. Just check the wire at first using the multimeter. It's very easy to check. From one point of the wire, the 3-pin, you can connect this to either of these. Must be continuity to this point. If it is not, this is broken. And similarly, you can check for the magnetic switch. There is some lighting switches here, which works only when the load is given. Even if it is not given, it hits. Their dual element. This is the 2 points of the filament. The coil is here, heating coil. And this is the thermostat, which is connected in series with one of the point, and that's it. And this is earthing, the yellow one, which directly goes to here, and you can see the blue one which goes to here and connected and goes to the switch, and one of those goes to the coil. No, it doesn't go to the coil. It passes, one of the point goes to the thermostat, and then another point goes to the coil here. You can have the diagram. So just replace it. Now it works fast. So this works. Yes, that's how it's already pressed. How it gets cooked. Nothing is there inside.